Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to get a new Kroger card in 2025. If you're a fan of Kroger's deals, rewards, and exclusive discounts, this card is a game changer. With updates for 2025, it's more streamlined than ever, offering personalized offers and seamless digital integration. Let's dive in. First things first, why should you get a Kroger card? It's simple. It unlocks savings on groceries, fuel, and more. Plus, with 2025's enhancements, you can link it directly to your phone for contactless use. Now, onto the steps. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Most adults can sign up, but you'll need a valid ID and an email address. Head over to the Kroger website or app. It's super user-friendly now. Step 2. Create an account if you don't have one. This takes just a minute. Enter your details like name, address, and phone number. Kroger's 2025 update includes a quick verification process using your phone's biometrics for added security. Step 3. Choose your card type. Options include a physical card or a digital one via the app. If you go digital, you can add it to your wallet instantly. Next, Step 4. Complete the application. Submit your info, and you'll get instant approval in most cases. If you're applying in store, just visit your local Kroger, head to the customer service desk, and they'll guide you through it. No hassle at all. Once approved, activate your card online or via the app to start earning rewards right away. A quick tip. Link your card to the Kroger app for exclusive 2025 features like personalized coupons and easy tracking of your points. It's free, quick, and oh so convenient. There you have it, folks. Getting a new Kroger card in 2025 is easier than ever. Start saving today and make your shopping trips more rewarding. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.